This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss PSET statement in GWC programming language, and the chapter is graphics. So let's start. The purpose of this statement is to display point at a specified place on the screen during use of the graphic mode. Coordinates value can be beyond the edge of the screen. However, values outside the integer range minus 32768 to 32767 cause an overflow error 00 0,0 is always the upper left corner, and 0,199 is the lower left corner in both high resolution and medium resolution. If the value for color is greater than 3, an illegal function call error is returned. Syntax is PSET is the keyword statement x, y color PSET x offset, y offset is a point relative to the most recent point referenced. For example, PSET 10,10. Example 1. The following program clears out the line by setting each pixel to 0. Line number 40, for I equal to 100 to 0, step -1. Line 50, PSET I, X and Y position, 0. Line 60, next I. So we'll execute this program, a little small program, to understand the concept of PSET, and we'll see how it gives us the output if we use a counter loop using a PSET statement. So let's switch to the IDE of GW Basic Programming Language. Viewers, so here we'll type for line number 40, for I equal to 100 to 0, step -1. Line 50, PSET I, 0. Line 60, next I. Now we'll save this program by pressing the F4 key and type pset.bas. Now I have the file. We'll press. So that's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. This is a program through which we can use the PSET statement in GW Basic Programming Language.